5, 4.
Attention, United States. This Sarmat rocket was launched at Washington from Karabanovo town in Russia. The more I watch these videos, I realize there are a lot of retards in Russia. One day it had to happen. In Solovyov's studio, someone died live from cringe.
Подождите, не поднимайте так быстро.
Врача срочно в студию.
Не поднимайте так быстро. Аккуратно.
Лежите, не вставайте пока.
Давайте.
Пока не вставайте. Все хорошо.
I am pleased to upload this video about the presence of tanks and heavy armor inside Bachmut. There is something brewing here, this is for sure. And this is funny. This Ukrainian soldier is preparing coffee in the middle of the fight.
Вы же как ТРО за 20 тысяч воюете, если что.
Мы на блокпосту в Харькове сидели, брат. Мы не воюем, мы окопы копаем.
Может еще масло для покемона?
Брат, я уже 2 ствола.
This is the launch of Ukrainian Tu-143 recon drone and launcher vehicle, probably modified and used a cruise missile. It's terrible, the hearses are just standing in line. There was not a single grave here in December. A resident of Vladivostok showed a whole cork of hearses at the local cemetery, where the funerals of the Russian military don't stop, after the defeat of the 155th Marine Brigade in Vuhledar.
Молодые ребята погибли непонятно за что.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.